Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of a Amazon haul before we get into the video. These are the cutest little things. I wanted I wanted a new palette, but I saw these and they're like rings, so you can have your palette on your finger. But I mean, how cute is this? This one is a little ball. So you just put your gel polish in, and then you're sort of holding your nails, and so you don't have to go back and forth to always dip your brush in the gel. So this one is so cute. I just love it. I just had to bend that a little bit, but I mean, how handy is that? So look, you're holding it like that, and I can't wait to use these more. So I also got these sort of nicer aesthetic looking ones as well. So we've got like a little butterfly here. It takes me ages to get into a damn packet. But look, it's all opaly and pretty. So yeah, pop it on there. Oof. I feel so organised, but I have actually nowhere to store all this because you only see a tiny section of my desk. The rest of the desk is absolutely horrendous. I literally have no space. No space. There's a little teddy bear one. Thought that was a sweet one. I really like that. But yeah, it sort of can go on any finger, but I think you're better off wanting it on your thumb maybe, or I couldn't quite work out how I would use that one, so maybe that one might not get used all that much. I think probably the palette will get used more. And then we got a little diamond shape. I'm still a bit nasally, guys, sorry. Waiting for this cold to go. So yeah, that's much easier. That one, I think the teddy bear one was just sort of a bad shape really, or maybe should have been the other way around and then it would have been okay. But this last one, oh my god, is it the last one? I can't remember. Look, it's Mickey Mouse. So I will be using him a lot because I mean, how cute is he? So cute. I'm gonna use it today, I think. So cute. So what I'm actually showing you today is a tweed nail. So we're starting off with Little Toto from Madame Glam as the base coat. This is actually going to be part of a set that I'm doing for the person I was doing the Peter Rabbit nails for. So it's sort of a country style themed set. So tweed is very much in her vibe. So we do 2 coats of that, and then look, all these browns that I'm going to use, and the white, and this nice holographic casino passion nails. So I'm just I blob a little bit too much white and it sort of runs into everything. I think that's probably what you're going to have to be careful of, because obviously you're moving your hand all the time. You don't actually want to blob too much on your little palette, but I mean, it's so handy. It's so cool. You just know you're getting old when you find these things cool, don't you? Never mind. Oh, I do like that shade. It's really pretty holographic brown, that one. So this is the first time I'm using these brushes. I can't remember where I got them from. It might say on the packet, I don't know. So I'm going to use that middle one, I think, because I wanted it thin, but I also wanted it long, so not too short. So I'm going in with all the darker shades first. So I'm just it's a really easy design, a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Literally just you're just putting a load of crosses everywhere. And then going in with the different colours. So I'm going in with the darker ones this time. So I'm just doing what I did before. Just like, to be fair, I don't think you really need a rhyme or reason to it. I was trying to be a little bit more, I don't know, selective in where I was putting, just because I was quite aware that I wanted quite a few colours on here. So I didn't want to just be like hashing them everywhere. But yeah, you just sort of interlinking all the crosses basically. You just, I know it doesn't look much yet, but like it will. I promise you it will. See, look, the little white blob of gel polish has run a little bit. Oh God, I hate having a cold. Go away. So annoying. So annoying. So yeah, just the same with each of the colours. It really like is a really simple technique. I don't think tweed nails are really sort of in anymore, but I mean, who doesn't like tweed? You never know when stuff's going to come back round, do you? So we're going in. I kind of decide against this in the end because I think I needed to go over with a gold first before going over with the glitter, because as you can see it doesn't sort of show up very well. Sort of mix that together and still don't really like it. Well, we live and we learn, don't we? So just the same, so you can see how it sort of forms together. Do you know, like it doesn't look much when you first start, but yeah, so I'm going in with this gold first, this gold gel paint. Trying to work out where the foil opens. Oh, it is a pretty gel paint, that one. Look at that chrome. Woof. So we're going to go in and then we're going to top this with the sparkly gold instead. So I'm just sort of going in and filling the bits, you know, that look like there's too much empty space. So we're just filling in the empty spaces, and then I'll put that in the lamp to then go over it with the glittery gold. So now I'm going in with the sparkly gold on top of that, just, you know, just to give it a bit of something. I don't know. Well, geez, I don't know. Like, it's sort of quite a messy but detailed design. I don't know if I'm sort of making that very clear. I sort of felt a little bit like there was a bit too thick lines, because I think you want to make sure you're doing really thin lines. And I think I don't know, maybe a little bit off my game. So yeah, we're just adding some more lighter colours in. And then I think possibly I'm going to use that really nice holographic polish in a minute. But I think on top of the darker lines that I'm doing now. So you see how it sort of comes together, and it does look like tweed to me. I hope you guys like it, but I like it, and I think she will as well. So there'll be more from this set to come, possibly just one full video of all the nails. Just because I don't think there's any other techniques in the nails that I can really show as a standalone video, but they're pretty exciting. So while that's in the lamp, we're just going to wipe off our palette there, keep on that Passion Nails Casino shade, ready to do the darker lines with those. So we're just, oof. It's possibly easier using those palettes just with, like, I don't know, like 1 or 2 shades on it at a time, like, but I needed like all those. I think it worked quite well though. I mean, it was only the white, because I'd put too much, that it ran sort of into everything. So we're just going over that, so it's nice and sparkly. See, I think it's a really effective design. I really like it. So we're going to go over with Shiny Top Coat. I'm going to pop that in there. And here we have our Tweed nail. I really love it, actually. I think I'll possibly go towards those in autumn. Oh, loved using that little palette though. So, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give me a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. More will be coming. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.